Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to use these special products to expand and simplify. And notice, you must select or choose the correct special product. So in this case, right, I see that I'm going to go with this a plus b times a minus b because I do see this as the correct one. And later on, you will then see me substituting my A as B and my 3 as my B. Follow the color coding. And therefore, this will be the answer. This will be equals to A squared minus B squared, right? So this one will be equals to B squared minus my 3 squared. B times B is B squared, 3 times 3 is 9, and we are done. Alright, so do take note, we just need to apply the special product and substitute the correct values or terms correctly. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to expand and simplify the following using special products, and we actually have to choose the correct special product. I see it, 1 minus 2q plus 1 plus 2q. I'm going to apply this special product, and later on you will then see me substituting my A as 1 and my B as 2q into the formula where this will become A squared minus B squared. So straight away when you apply the formula, this will become 1 square minus 2q square. After which, just simplify. 1 square is 1 times 1, 1. 2q square is 2 times 2, 4q times q, q square, and we are done. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to expand and simplify the following using a special product, and we of course have to choose the correct special product. Okay, so we are going to use this because I see the special product in this form, meaning I saw A plus B, A minus B. 3x is my A, 4y is actually my B. And once I successfully identify the correct special product, right, I will just need to apply this special product because I know the end result is A squared minus B squared. So you will then see me substituting my A as 3x. This is a square minus my B as 4y. Next thing would then just be to simplify it. 3x squared is 3 times 3, 9x times x, x squared. 4y squared is 4y times 4y, meaning 4 times 4, 16, y times y, y squared. And we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to use a special product to expand and simplify the following. And first and foremost, we have to select the correct special product to make use of. And I noticed there's this pattern here. So I saw that A could be my negative 2a. So I'm going to substitute a as negative 2x later. And my y as my b. So you would then see me writing this down. My a square will be negative 2x bracket square minus my y, which is my b, square. So negative 2x square is negative 2 times negative 2, 4x times x is x square, y square is y times y, y square. And we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.